story as old as time. He was born in one comic universe. She belongs to another one. He is 80 years old, but he lifts 500 kilos and runs a mile in 1 minute. She's an Amazon warrior with hair black as a raven's wing and with a disarming smile. Who will win in the battle of 2 universes can only be decided by a battle! Oh no! How did it happen, Sue? I relied on you. We were a team.
I couldn't hold it all. There were too many things.
It was supposed to be epic, and it turned out to be a fail.
A fail? Well, fails can be epic too.
And now you're gonna tell me Marvel is better than DC?
Well, Marvel is better.
No! What? DC is better, that's for sure.
Let's ask our viewers.
Yeah, guys, which universe do you prefer, DC or Marvel?
Write in the comments. We are very curious.
By the way, DC is older than Marvel by 4 years. Duh.
And that makes it better?
Yes?
What am I going to do now? We were going to assemble some Legos together. Now I'll have to do it all by myself. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, there's even a shield. It should come out very epic.
Epic? Where? You're going to assemble your favorite character.
Well, if you want, I can assemble Wonder Woman.
Oh, no. Get your hands off her. I'll do it myself.
All right. Do it yourself then. And I'll start putting my action figure together. I'll take these parts first. Captain America, assemble! Hey guys, what are your favorite DC and Marvel characters? Share in the comments, please! Oh, I'll have a Captain America of my own. So cool! This one here. Stick it there. Is something wrong, Sammy?
Huh? What? Oh, no, everything's fine. I'm just watching.
To figure out how to assemble your figure correctly? Actually, they are very alike, Sammy. Like the universes themselves.
Really? Well, I don't know.
Yes. For example, both universes are a place where all characters live together. In DC, this universe is usually called Prime Earth. And in Marvel, Earth Prime.
This is a dubious similarity. But I can see where you're going. Continue with your captain. I'll take my leave for now.
Almost there. Oh, guys, did you know that cities in the DC universe have fictional names? And Marvel actually uses real city names. Oh, Sam! What was that?
It was super speed. You weren't supposed to see me.
You were the Flash, right?
That's right. Well done. By the way, Flash was one of the earliest superheroes, just like Wonder Woman.
Captain America appeared at that time as well. Do you agree that the characters of both universes are very cool? Can you imagine our world without them?
No! It would have been too horrible! Guys, do you agree? Let them all be!
There! He'll live on my table now. I can admire him all day long.
Can I show you something?
Of course, Sammy.
Here!
Sammy! Have you assembled this yourself?
Yes, you look so much like her, Susie.
Aww, thanks. Let's place them side by side. Oh, they are both lovely, yeah? And both universes have adventure, action, humor, and amazing characters. Give a thumbs up if you agree, and subscribe to our channel to inspire Sammy to make new crafts.
Oh yes! I'm off to write an epic heroic adventure!
Awesome! Bye! See you soon!